Hello and welcome to the Learn With Me. Today we are going to learn about how to set the subscribe button on your YouTube channel. Actually custom subscribe button. So let's see the tutorial. So I'm just opening the browser. I have this YouTube channel. Currently you are seeing on my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel. So just search the subscribe button, subscribe logo instead. Click on the subscribe logo. Now you look at that lot of images you can see on the Google. Just click on the images. Okay, so many images are there. Just select one of the images, right click on it, save images, then save it on desktop or anywhere else. Subscribe, I am giving just subscribe to. Okay, so I have saved that image. Now look at the subscribe to images save on my desktop. I'm just going to my YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is open right now. So you just need to click on the channel. Okay, then you just need to go to the branding. Now look at this. I have already allocated a one subscribe button. Look at the subscribe now button I have added to my YouTube channel, existing YouTube channel. Now currently I want to add different subscribe button, so I just need to remove it. Okay, I have removed it. Same thing in branding. You can see one add a watermark button. Just click on the add watermark. Just browse. On desktop we have already saved that subscribe button, so we will find that subscribe button. Which one? This one we have saved. Okay, so this image is attached. Actually they have given a recommended setting for file format of image. It should be of PNG or GIF. We are adding a JPG. Let's see whether it will, how it will work. Just save it. So this watermark we have uploaded. You just need to save it. Processing is okay, so processing is done. Now look at this. This is your YouTube channel, one of the video, and you can see on the right bottom corner subscribe button is there. So here you will see there you can select a display time, start time you can select, or you can directly set to end of video also, subscribe button, and to the entire video you can also set. It is actually the best possible way is the entire video. So for entire video this subscribe button will be visible on your YouTube channel. So I'm going to update it. So I have updated it. Now just want to check whether it is working or not. I'm just going to video manager. Videos are opening. So I'm just, for checking, I'm just going to end screen. Now look at this. This is the subscribe button that we have already added right now. It's also show the number of the subscribers on your YouTube channel. So guys, this is that's it for this tutorial. I hope you like my tutorials and do subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for the latest updation. Bye bye.